guys. So every now and then I like to just do a little one-on-one and kind of touch base, let everybody know what's going on and kind of my little world. And uh, you know, we just want to go over how to be successful. Doing what you like to do. How to be an entrepreneur. Um, you know, the secret to success is failure. Okay, so every time that you get to the point where you're feeling, what am I doing? What am I doing with all this? Or am I wasting my time? When you start doubting yourself, start questioning yourself and your abilities, uh, you know what I'm, you know what I'm saying. You start questioning yourself. That should be a good sign that you're on the right path. Okay. Uh, if you didn't question yourself, or you didn't give yourself constructive criticism, or if you weren't hard on yourself, or you didn't feel that way at all, I mean you didn't care. Okay. So I'm just saying that another key to success that I've learned personally is that, and it might rub some people the wrong way, but I speak the truth. I try to do my best. So you can't rely on you can't you, you can count on a few people. Okay, you can count on other people to help you. Okay, but you can only rely on yourself to get it done. uh, Anything that it is that you're trying to do, whether it's open a pizzeria or make beats or whatever it is, you want to open a gym, you're going to have to put in all that time and effort and make time and effort. You are going to have to make it happen, not anybody else. So every time you see somebody else has that, or is up on stage, and you kind of feel bitter, the only person you can blame is yourself. Same for me. You know, I'm not going to say I don't practice what I preach, but I should practice a little more. I encourage you guys to go out and sell your songs. I go over how to make money streaming them, BMI, ASCAP, copyright.gov. I go over a lot of stuff. And I encourage people to take their songs and put them out there. And here I am. I got like 20 or 30 sitting in a box, but I got a real busy uh, time schedule and uh, just a bunch of excuses that none of us want to hear. But yeah, I just wanted to go over that. You can't count on other people. You can count on other people, but like I say, you can only rely on yourself. And basically, failure is the key to success in any situation. So the more you fail, the better. And the more it shows that you want to learn. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. And I just got this little Behringer neutron, and I had no idea what it can do, but I'm finding a really nice place for it in my workflow. And so yeah, I don't really have anything else to go over, but just for that, I just wanted to go over those two things with you guys. And if there's anything you guys want to talk about, or anything you want me to mention on here, feel free. Ask me any questions. And yeah, I'd be more than happy to figure out how to do it. I am going to mess with some of the CV outs on the MPC. I noticed on my mini log I got CV mod, and I got CV sync on Novation Peak. But yeah, I'm just having fun doing this. This is what I love. You know, you gotta. That's another thing. You gotta love doing what you do. And if you're not happy doing what you're doing, you're probably not putting enough time in. And it sounds bitter, but it's true. You gotta put 110%, not 50. Anyway, I'm just getting back into the groove of things here, and like I say, anybody has any questions or wants to hit me up, just, leave a thumbs up or a comment. I'll get right back to you. Absolutely love all this gear. I use it all. And, I don't know, it's just, I'm very passionate about my music. So I just want to kind of let everybody know a little bit more about me, because it seems like I just get on here and make music once in a while. Other than that, you guys stay blessed, and prayers go out to anybody that, needs them. And yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to share. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes. Just kind of go off the top of my head. So I appreciate every one of you, and thanks for watching.